We have brand new Mentos Beauty bath bombs. Ooh, I really like this one as well. This is such a great deal. These cost about $3 each everywhere else. Super cute dent-free hair clips. Ooh, this seems really heavy. What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. You guys, I was headed down this aisle and right away I got distracted by this end cap. We have brand new Mentos Beauty bath bombs. Mentos Beauty. These are strawberry bath bombs. And I'm thinking, yeah, it's Mentos, you guys. Mentos and bath bombs, kind of a different sort of combo. However, recently they have been doing collabs with Sally Hansen. I think Mentos has been trying to work their way into the beauty and hygiene world because I have a polish from them. It was a Sally Hansen Mentos collab and it was the prettiest shade of yellow. So here we are with bath bombs. Please let me know down below if you guys have seen any other items from Mentos. I'm just gonna hang these here for now while I film in this area. We have these cute little new items. They look like push pops. They're little sponges. We also have this pretty color combo. Ooh, I really like this one as well. All little sponges. Super cute. You could stick it in an Easter basket or a gift bag. Those are definitely new for the week. If you guys missed last week, we have a lot of new items from LA Colors, a lot of new lip balms, jelly bombs. We also have jelly lip gloss, pink, glacé. Yum, look at Yum. Isn't that packaging so pretty? We have this one up here called Sweetened. We also have brand new cream gel blushes if you missed it last week. Just a little recap. If you're super loyal and you don't miss a single video, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you so, so much. But I know sometimes you miss a video every once in a while. Oh, these are so pretty. I love these scrubbies like this in a gift bag with like a jelly lip gloss, maybe some Mentos strawberry bath bombs, and maybe like one of these. Like that would be super cute in a little gift bag, wouldn't it? Those items. Then maybe get a polish. You could really create a cute little like gift bag with some of these items. Those are the polishing cloths. Let's see if there's any other items from LA Colors. I think this mascara is new for the week. Hourglass is what they're calling it. I think I pulled it a little too hard. And then we have Beyond Black. This is Big Lash, Very Black, Classic Black. This one is full for plump lashes. Those are definitely new for the week. We have the cute little edge brushes, perfect for baby hairs. We have these available in black and also in a bright pink. And then the nails from Big Color that popped up last week. Pink is new, green is new, purple is new. And these are also from B Color. These ones, the stiletto nails, and these ones as well. Lots of liquid eyeliner from LA Colors. I think this polish might be brand new. Number 971 by New Color. Oh, this is the polish last week that I was talking about I should get. And I think I actually should get it because I love this yellow. This reminds me of the Mentos Sally Hansen polish that I got last year that I love. I think I'm gonna buy it. Okay, let's go ahead and take this to its home. We'll take it where it belongs. And I'll show you guys the end cap where it came from. So this is where it came from right here. These also came out from Be Pure last week. These are the gui sha stones for like lymphatic drainage and facial massages. They're calling them the facial massage tools, and they're pink and they're really pretty. In my store, all we have is the strawberry. Okay. This is the display from last week. So the ones that sold out were the ones that look like little ice cream cones, the little lip glosses. But we still have balms that are new, and we have glosses that are new. Let's see if we have anything else new over here. Lots of good stuff over here. Not necessarily new items, but the bubble cake bars are here. The shampoo bars are here. I think this one might be new. This is an exfoliating washcloth. Feels really scratchy and thick. They've also added the hair sponges. I got a couple of these for my sons, but they haven't tried them yet. We also have other things over here like scrubbies and gel bead eye masks, shower caps. You can get 8 to a pack here. Maybe you want to get some of these if you're coloring your hair at home. Little thin disposable ones that you can just toss when you're done with it. I think some of these might be new, these little picture frames. The back has a little kickstand. Kiwi laces, that's a good brand. If you need some new shoelaces or dress shoe laces, we have 72 inches, we have 30 inches. I'm mostly seeing 72 and 30. We have the outdoor variety, perfect for boots, and then we have some for dress shoes. Ooh, new eye pillows. This one. This one looks really pretty. Ooh, look at this one. The brand is 4-Star Group. So this is the same company that makes Be Pure. Aw, these are back. These are so cute. I just love pearls. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Well, no, it's not as... It looks like you're going to the beach.
More pearls. Oh, these are new this week. These are the dent-free hair clips. My store has lots and lots of shirts. Looks like they have some tank tops, t-shirts. We have collared shirts. Collared shirts, that's by Gildan. We have yellow. Ooh, this seems really heavy. Okay, that's 2 shirts. Gildan 4XL. What a nice color. I love that. We have tank tops. The brand is All Style. These are little tank tops. Lots of tank tops, short sleeves, and collared shirts. Wow, my store has a lot. These are also new. The pink, love that. The pink disposable face masks, perfect for everyday use, doctor appointment, dentist appointment. I just love the pink color. It is so, so cute. Super cute. And look, they changed the display over here. It looks so nice. I bet that took a really long time. They took the little Vaselines out of the bins, and now they were all on their own shelf. This is such a great deal. These cost about $3 each everywhere else, and there's 5 different varieties. All right, you guys will join me in the very next video. We're gonna start here with this aisle and try to discover everything that's new. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.